In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add watermark to a video on Canva. So I open a design. You look like this. Wow, absolutely looking nice. This animal. So I want to add a watermark. So just click on this text option. Then here are add a heading. So now everything you can write here একদম purpose. This is my right hand watermark. So if you want to keep it white color and any color, click on this text color option, then you can keep it here. Oh, it is looking nice to watermark, so I keep it this rotate. This good. Now click on this transparency option, then I keep it like maybe 20 or 25. This is good. So here are type 25. Okay, that's good. So my work are finished, so I want to copy lots of. So keep it here and again here, then again this one on this position. You can see I add 4 watermark. If you want to add 1 watermarks, this is possible. So if I playing this video right now, then click on preview. Wow, it's absolutely brilliant method to use and add a watermark on Canva. So this link I will attach in my video description. You need to log in with your Gmail, then create this design and doing your work perfectly. So if you have found this video helpful, for make sure like and subscribe this channel. And if you have any questions, please comment below. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.